Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So tonight we're going to have a look at an absolute knife classic from Civivi with a small twist. This is the Elementum 2 with a push button lock. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from Civivi and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a small commission when you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, I just want to thank the good folks out at Civivi for sending me this knife to review. Let's have a closer look. Alright, let's begin with the size reference so you get a good idea for how big this knife is when you get it in your hands. You can compare the diameter of this permanent marker next to the grip here. I'll turn it sideways. Get a better look at it that way. Next, we're going to open it up. And it should be longer. There you go. And I'm going to turn this sideways in hopes that we can fit it in frame. Yeah, just about right there. Okay, so there's your comparisons that way. All right, let's get the ruler out here, take an actual measurement. So from the very tip, just about 4 inches, open up. All right, from the tip of that drop point blade to the ending, just about 7 inches. Gonna bring the permanent marker back in here just so we can compare the size of that there. You can see the scales are just about the same thickness as that permanent marker. Let's give this thickness a look here. All right, that's probably just about the size of the thicker side of a pair of chopsticks. So here's the thinner side, too small. So just about the same thickness there. And just to give you a weight reference, so you know how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket, coming in at 3.1 ounces. And if you're curious, that weighs almost as much as a full deck of cards. Not much has changed between the Elementum 1s and 2s. Same flipper action, available in different steels like S35VN, different types of G10s. Right, that's the G10. This is the Elementum 1 with the micarta linen. That is absolutely stunning. But again, the only difference here is the push button lock. All right, let's have a look at the blade. Here is your traditional Elementum 2 drop point design. Oh, you can see this beautiful swedge right up here. Black stonewash finish. In fact, this whole blade, this knife is all blacked out. That is so cool looking. Jimping up here on the thumb ramp. Feels really nice. Going to turn that sideways here so you guys can see how aggressive that is. Give you a look at the thickness of the spine. Here is a US quarter just to give you an idea. The thickness there comes right around, drops down to that really fine point on that drop point. All right, we have a hollow grind here. Let me show you what that looks like. So it's not flat. We can see the curvature of the blade here. You can see the spacing between that and the chopstick here. That's going to be a great slicer. Great slicer. There you go. Steel type, Nitro V. Really inexpensive, but it's going to give you great performance, toughness, easy to sharpen, great corrosion resistance. Ooh, look at that edge. Ooh, nice polished edge. Let's see how well that cuts. All right, let's give it a go here. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that's so much fun. That's really nice. All right, let's have a closer look at these beautiful black G10 scales. You can see how they're nice and rounded on the edges, so there's no hot spots when you're using your knife, and that's all the way around. Man, these open so fast with a ceramic ball bearing system. So fast. Going to flip it over so we can see the liners. All right, we have skeletonization on both sides here. You can see it. And we have standoffs here instead of a backspacer. I love standoffs. It doesn't add much weight to the knife, and it's easy to clean. You can just take some air, canned air, and blow out all the lint and dirt. And remember, we don't have a liner lock here. This is a push button lock. So you just push it, and the blade will close. And man, does it open fast. So smooth. And once again, guys, this is a tactically blacked out knife. Everything is blacked out on here. The clip, the torque screws, the liners on the inside. Again, the blade, you got that black stonewash finish. Even the logo, the Civivi logo, the C here, it's got like a black chrome on it. That'd be sweet if they could make that a matte finish. But everything matches on here. That is gorgeous. Nice deep carry pocket clip here. It's not reversible to the other side. Here's a look at the lanyard hole. And this is tip-up carry only. And just in case you're wondering what that pocket clip is going to look like when it's sitting in your pocket, there you go. Absolutely disappears on you. Well, alright guys, once again, this has been the Elementum 2 with the push-button lock from Civivi with the Nitro V Steel. If you love the Elementum 1 and you want something with more of a fidget factor where you can just open and close it all day with lightning quick opening, this might be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this knife, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.